It's a lot of work, a lot of Spanish talk going on right now.
Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
Be cool. Be cool. You don't want to get wiped out. You know I'm eating with that pie out. Be cool. Be cool. You don't want to get wiped out. You know.
Wow, it's Bagglo and I'm back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell above if you didn't already so you can get a notification when I'm dropping these videos. So I'm back at the fucking construction site. We getting it on. I got the team in here. We turn it up. It's early in the morning. It's all about a bag. So y'all roll with me if you haven't already. Y'all check out how we do it. We about to go in this motherfucker, get to it, clean up all this junk and scrap and shit and the trash that he made over the weekend. Got my crew in there. They prepped. They already working. They getting it together. So y'all come check it out.
Something good, something good is gonna come my way.
So gang, I was wrong. They didn't tear the motherfucking building up. So to electricians, the drywallers, the painters, I'm sorry if y'all watching the video. I thought y'all was gonna tear that motherfucker up. But it's more work going on today. I'll show y'all the electricians, the drywallers, pipe fitters, shit like that. Different people doing different shit today on this go around. So y'all stay tuned. As y'all guys can hear, it's a lot of shit going on around me right now. I'm gonna walk right around for a little minute, show y'all a little shit. You know, niggas getting it in. If you ain't getting no money, you ain't doing nothing. If you ain't getting no money, you ain't doing nothing. So basically right now, we up in the restaurant. You heard me? They're building a fucking private restaurant for the condos. This shit cold. So basically, they're throwing the walls up. They got some of it finished already. They're painting. They're running all the electricity through this motherfucker. Pipes for the water. Like it's really getting built. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be here probably like once a week, giving updates, showing y'all this shit, letting y'all see what's going on, how it's coming out, and I'm gonna be here till the finished product. Stay tuned. I'm walking, I'm running. Make sure that y'all prep when y'all coming out trying this goddamn heat. Really hydrate. That's the number one thing. Heat excursion and all this other shit that be having, heat strokes, and all this hot heat shit, you better drink some water so you don't fall out on the fucking ground. Number two, eat breakfast. Even if it's just some fruits, you know what I'm saying? A little oatmeal, a little grits, man. Eat some breakfast, put something in your stomach. Toast, bread, eggs, something. You know what I mean? Come prep, have your fucking highlighter vest on, hard hat, glasses, gloves, steel toe boots. You know the simple shit. It's easy to get hurt out this motherfucker. They always got people working on top of you, welding, cutting shit. The electricians, they might hook up some wrong shit and blow up every motherfucking body. You just gotta be careful and mindful of everything around you. But this shit been fun. Like, I must make sure, I'm serious. I'm gonna bring y'all through this whole little roller coaster so y'all can see this process go down. Y'all gonna fuck with it. Holla at your boy. I got some more shit to do.